Hello everybody, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be diving into the chart of LKCO, and to make sure you get all the continued updates on LKCO as well as all your other favorite stock charts, please go down below, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, hit the bell notification. Thank you so much. With that out of the way, let's dive into the chart of LKCO. So you can see here we are on trading view, in here on a daily time frame. It is quite clear that interest in LKCO has picked up tremendously in the last 6 or 7 months. Lots of daily volume coming in on the stock, especially big spikes in volume started here in early February. So to me, it is very apparent what we need to have happen. You can see this very nice upward sloping trend line on the daily with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive touch points. So to me, the most important and critical trend line in LKCO is going to be right here with a hold at right around the $1.36 level. If we can get that, which I think is going to happen, we start getting another upward move in LKCO, with the target looks like being this zone right here, right around 276 approximately, which would represent a fairly nice move to the upside if it were to happen, around a little over 90% from levels if this support around the 137, 138 level were to hold. So just closely looking in here, zooming into the 1 hour chart, you can clearly see we are on a nice downward sloping trend line. Need to break above that, put in some sort of a formation of higher lows and higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, to build a foundation and a trend line that we could look at to start heading back up to these $2.76 levels approximately. So build a foundation of higher lows, higher highs, get out of this zone with a strong support right down here at about 137. Everything looking really good on LKCO for another pop to the upside. The only little concern to me would be the potential high volatility in the market right now. So if we were to come down to these levels and pop up, we may end up getting something sort of like what happened here in early May, where the stock pops out of the downward sloping trend line, which happened, you can see right here, popped up and then came back down and consolidated and made one more run at the line of support before taking off to the upside, which is a possibility as well. We will have to watch closely for that. Going over to the momentum chart, you can see a very similar scenario which I just outlined, but this is looking really interesting here. We've got these nice positive divergent bottoms in place here on the daily, 1, 2, 3, and this would set up, if we were able to get support here, on the 4th positive divergent bottom. Everything just looking really, really nice for LKCO. And I believe that if on the daily time frame and or the 4 hour, this momentum, if we were able to carry higher from these levels, we would see a nice tick when it eventually took off, potentially breaking these 276 levels. Have to monitor that. And diving down to the 1 hour time frame, additionally here it looks to me like a very strong candidate somewhere in these areas around -0.42 to get a breakout of this downward sloping trend line and a potentially start working back up at these levels to start heading to those 276 breakout zones. So everything here to me on LKCO looking very, very positive. Yes, in the very short term, some potentially negative price action, but we are going to be definitely looking in these 136 areas for LKCO to hold and make its next move up to the upside. So guys, if you have not yet done so, please, please, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, make sure you stay up to date with all the videos I'm going to be coming out with on LKCO over the coming weeks, including all the interesting things happening with market volatility, the VIX, all your favorite stocks. Subscribe below. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye for now.